We are recording. All right, hey folks, I am experimenting. I've got a band in a box thing set up over here that I have set up to some chords so I can practice doing lead tones over the top of chords. And I've got my, above me here you'll see, this is my JOYO only pedal board. I got a Batson, I got a Uzi over there, I've got a Taran, I've got the American, the AC Tone. I'm just going to go through several of these different pedals. I'm playing over here to the other side of me over here is the what I'm using for the amp. So this is the cab box, or not a cab box, but is a cabinet hour loader from Boss, the hour 200, and I've got a twin combo on. I just got it showing it. So everything is being run through like a twin combo. This is like if I had a twin combo with all these other pedals above going into it. I'm using in my effects loop here. I've got a Hall of Fame reverb too that's creating a reverb. I've got vibrato. I've got various different things over here I could use. I'm just gonna try to play chord tones and go through this band in a box thing. Let's see. I've got a sing set up here so you don't have to hear my mics or the string sound or anything. So I'm gonna go to that. Whoops. That didn't seem to work. I'll hit recall and 2. Okay, I'm still hearing me. Uh-oh. Did I hit save? Oh, my poop. I screwed it. Let's do number 2 here and get rid of this. Get rid of me. Oh, I've got other mics on over here too. Let's turn these off. Okay, I think now you can hear me again. I think I got 2% left on this camera down here. Stop the abandon the box from playing again. Time out. All right. So this is just here again. This is my experiment with just trying to do everything live and all the glitches and everything, all the mess ups. You heard some sour notes in there. This is it. So the way I'm running this, I got my iMac going out into my Zoom LiveTrak 12 from the headphone out into a stereo channel. That's where you're getting the band in the box over here. I've got the IR200 being my amp going into the board left and right with a stereo send, going to my time-based effects. All the stuff that's up above is going into the IR200 before the effects loop, before it even goes in. This is pre-input. And then me is just, that you're hearing now, just mics. I got a mic over here, I got a mic over here, I got a mic in the middle. And that's it. I'm doing it all live using Streamlabs OBS as the platform. So let's see how this turns out, folks. Hopefully you've enjoyed that. If you'd like to have this backing track, let me know and I'll give you that. I'll put a link to it. Anybody that's interested, I'm gonna wait till somebody says they're interested before I do it though. All right, so here we go, folks. Enjoy. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like.